Welcome to SolisCloud Services. This video will demonstrate how to use the remote control feature. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SolisCloud monitoring platform. How to use remote control feature. Please log in to your SolisCloud account. Please select the device page and click to enter the inverter you want to control. On the inverter details page, click Inverter Control in the upper right corner. After reading the disclaimer, if you choose to disagree, you will return to the previous screen and will not be able to use the control functions. Please read the disclaimer, then select Agree and Continue. Enter the account password for your current account. Then click Confirm to access the inverter control interface. Click on Storage Mode. And the Storage Mode setting interface will be displayed on the right. Please click Read to view the current storage mode of the inverter. You can select a different mode in the drop-down box, like Self-Use. Click Save. And after receiving the success prompt, click OK. Click on Charge and Discharge Settings. You can set the strong charge and discharge time periods and segments. After confirming, click OK to complete the setup. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.